Hi guys, magandang day. Right now, nandito kami sa sasakyan ni Shabir. Papunta kami sa iba't ibang lugar na hindi pa namin napupuntahan dito sa UAE. May nalaman niyo kung saan yun. Kasama ko si Binibining Jane, Binibining Karen, si Shabir, at si Ginoong Krishna. Aming special na tagalakbay. Naway, samahan nyo kami sa araw na to. Let's enjoy. We're taking our lunch back D. So later guys. Bye. Hi Karen. Hi Jane. Hi Shabir. Hi Krishna. And I am Best. At andito kami ngayon sa Masdar City, some part of Abu Dhabi here in UAE. Naalam namin kung masasakay ba namin itong alien car. This alien's car. Let's try. We can? Really? Awesome. Sabi natin kaya pwede namin sakayan. Cool. Man, do you like to be a photographer? No. You're bad. Sabi ko, Krisha, do you want to be a photographer? Ikaw cameraman ngayon.
Pwede?
Can you try? Sure, come! Come! Awesome.
Welcome to Masdar City. أهلا بكم في مدينة مصدر.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Nasa loob na po kami ng alien's car. Kaya hati kami. Tama. Ayun, picture nyo kayo. Okay. Kaya? Last one.
Tagal.
Mabigat daw kayo.
Diyan mo kami. Kaya naman video ko.
Sapa. Ano Musafa?
Musapa. No, we're in Masdar, natin Musapa. Pasawada na lang. Ganda.
Ako mag-
Sir, pwede ko po. Wala pa po dito sa market. Sasakyan na to. Wala pa akong binibenta ganito. Bilaw tatlo sa Pilipinas. Ano driver, no?
Oh, ganda.
Ang dito, dirham.
102 million. Thousand.
Thousand.
Ano?
100. 700.
Thousand.
Something.
Wait, siguro kung isa ka sa mga chick dito, you're one of the businessmen here, you can buy the price of this car. As Kuya said, it's around 700,000 dirham. You want to buy one for India? Kasi you don't need driver here. I want to buy it. So, ano po yung mechanism niya? Ano siya? Parang
May control room.
Parang
Bumper.
buti hindi sila nagkakablock.
Hindi may mistake to.
I see. Tapos yun yung ano niya, CCTV.
ikot na tayo. May mga restaurant.
Meron sumo.
Ayan nga po. So,
Japanese.
Mento.
Cool. Nakain ako chicken tonkatsu. Ang mobile ko pala yun. Sabi ko, akala ko ano.
Kasi,
Oo. Never ba? Nabili ko mga daw. Cool. Arriving at the Masdar Institute
You have
Science
now
Academy.
arrived at your destination. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. This is called Personal Rapid Transit. It looks like alien's car. Awesome. Pagkatapos namin paglawaan guys, yung ano. Pagkatapos namin paglawaan yung monitor doon, yung parang IWV monitor nila. Well, picture muna kami dito sa Masdar City. Well, nakaposa sila. Tama ba ako? Pagkakaintindi ko, itong Masdar Institute, sa mga nakikita ko, parang siyang DOST sa Pilipinas. Science and Technology, na lahat ng mga technological innovations nila, new technologies, I think this Master Institute here in Masar City, UAE government put all their budget here in creating new innovations, technologies. Right now, andito kami sa Master Institute kung saan lahat ng technological innovations ng bansang ito ginagawa. So, isa sa makikita nyo sa background ko, this is their solar panel kung saan umiimbak, hindi naman kaila sa atin na ang UAE isa sa pinakamainit na lugar sa buong mundo. So, of course, mas malaki yung posibilidad ng pagkukunan nilang kuryente, alternative electricity is by solar. So, these solar panels, may imbak ng kuryente na ginagamit nila sa pagpapapreserba at pagpapatuloy o kitataguyod ng Master Institute. So yun na muna kayo guys. Ako sa BS. Mamaya ulit. Later. Hi guys! Kung kalimitan sa nakikita natin is called wind vane. The only difference is this is wind spiral. So yung ikot niya is patayo. Patayo. Hindi siya pa north, east, southwest. Pa north and south lang siya. So,
Natagpuan ko sa Pilipinas. Pero ang flat eh.
ginawa siya ni Mr. Ivan Lozi Pestalio, whatever. So guys, palis na kami ng Master Institute. We are going now from Master Institute. We will go to our next destination. Salamat sa pagsama. Sasakay na kami. Doors opening. Okay. Sit here now. Driver please. With us a driver. We are
Welcome to Masdar City.
welcome to
أهلا
Master
بكم
City.
في مدينة مصدر.
You can take us to have the train.
I hate you.
Light is coming, it's no, can't see anything.
We don't care. Go.
Well,
So guys, it's been fun and a lot of first time to ride this kind of vehicle, first time to go to this place. And
pangit puti-puti tayo.
Next time again.
Maganda.
I think under renovation pa siya ngayon. So
Now it's okay.
hindi pa ganun ka.
But
Ayan, huminto kami. Binabalik kami.
Take it in the good camera.
Cool. Take our picture here.
No. Magkakaiba na tayong kulay.
Or siya ako yung iba doon.
Hindi. What, other white.
Meron, open.
Open
Open.
first.
Okay.
Ano? Real na.
So guys, enjoy it. This moment is awesome. Thanks to Shabri. Thanks to Krishna, Adi Karen, and Jane for making this possible. To the next vlog later, guys. Bye. This is Beas in Masdar City, Season 7.